Today starts the after Christmas sale that Harbor Freight is having with 30% off. They have it two different ways, one for ITC members and one for non-ITC members. We're going to take a look at that. I'm going to tell you what I picked up and why I'm disappointed. And that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So Harbor Freight's keeping up with their theme, even though it's after Christmas here, of having some deals going on. What they have is 30% off, and what it is I think for the regular customers, it's going to be 30% off if you spend $35 or more, and I think it's on products that are under $10. The one that I looked at was the ITC member, because that's what I am. And what that was is anything under $20 was 30% off. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you what I picked up today, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm disappointed in. So let's get started. All right, if you follow the channel, you guys know, I'll move it over here real quick. On Black Friday, I picked up the 5-drawer tool cart here. Of course, I can't get it all the way in the screen. But what I'm doing is I'm picking up tools for this to fill this up to be my roll to the car cart. If you guys know, back here I've got two old Craftsman chests that have tools in it. And what I'm doing is I'm building this up for me, and then in the future, my boy is 16 and I'm going to give him all the tools in that. So what I'm doing is anytime there's a sale like this, what I like doing is I like buying icon stuff, because this is the time to do it. Now, the first thing I got here was the adapter set here from Icon. I'm going to see if I can find it on here real quick. What this was, this 4-piece set here, it was originally $16.99, and I got it for $11.89 with the 30% off. And there you go. Basically, I had these in Pittsburgh, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the Pittsburgh ones in the Craftsman box for my boy, and I'm going to put these Icon ones in my cart for me. One thing I really like about this 4-piece set, right down there in the corner, it's got a lifetime replacement, and that's why I like the Icon. Pittsburgh and Quinn have it too, but like I said, the best deals to get Icon is when they have the 30% off like this. Let's move on to the next one. Now, the next thing I picked up here was a 7-piece Torx bit set here from Icon. This one was originally $19.99, and I got it for $13.99. Once again, I do have these in something older. I don't even remember what kind I got, but I wanted to update these to the Icon, and once again, we got the lifetime replacement on there, and this is a 7-bit set, and like I said, for 14 bucks with the 30% off, just couldn't pass it up, so that's going to go into my box also. All right, this will have to do with the disappointments, but I'm going to save that to the end. But the next thing we got here is the 8-inch hose clamp pliers here. These I've been wanting for a while. I got a PCV hose I got to change out on my golf cart. And when I do a new fuel filter and stuff in the spring, this will come in handy for something like that. I've never had an opportunity to try this out, and I figured for the 30% off, it'd be a good time to get it. This was normally $19.99, so I got it for $13.99. And once again, we got a lifetime replacement because it's an Icon. Let's see what else I got. Now, the next thing I picked up was the 8-inch needle nose pliers. Once again, this was on a great deal, lifetime replacement because it's Icon. And once again, these were $19.99, and I picked them up for $13.99. Always nice to have a real good set of needle nose pliers here. And I have the Quinn ones, but like I said, I'm kind of replacing stuff. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to move the Quinn ones to my toolbox that's in the house. And then I'm going to start replacing everything in that set with the Icons when there's sales like this going on. Not a bad deal at all. Let's see what the final thing I picked up is, because you could get a total of 5 things. So this one isn't the last. We got one more. Let's see what it is. All right, and this last thing I picked up, I don't know how often I'm going to use it, but it looked like it would be something handy. And once again, with a 30% off, I figured now is the time to grab it. And what we have here is the Icon S-Jaw Quick Adjust Pliers in the 12-inch. Turn it sideways so you can see all of this. I've heard a lot of people in videos say they absolutely love this thing when they got to use it. And I figured, hey, it's $19.99. Got it on sale for $13.99. Great time to pick it up since I had the money, and this will be a great thing to add to my collection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you why I'm disappointed in this sale. All right, now to show you why I'm disappointed here. We're on the computer here, and I want to show you like these Icon 7-inch diagonal cutters, $21.99. Really, Harbor Freight? If these were $19.99, I would have bought those. Let's keep scrolling here. Okay, these are the 8-inch I picked up right here. But right next door, the 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers, $21.99. If those were $19.99, I would have picked those up also. Such a disappointment. Let's keep going through here. 11-inch long reach needle nose pliers, same deal, $21.99. Then we're going to keep going through here because I know there's more. 11-inch 45-degree long reach pliers, $21.99. 10-inch long reach pistol grip pliers, $21.99. Then we got two right here at the end. 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers, $21.99. And then we got the 10-inch multi-slip joint parrot nose pliers, $21.99. Really, Harbor Freight, if all these were $19.99, I would have bought all these. That is a huge disappointment when you guys do stuff like that. So there you go. That's what I picked up and what I was disappointed in. Also, right now is a great time to pick up consumables. If you guys don't have any tools you want to buy, you need that WD-40, PB blaster, paper towels, blades. Like if you need any of the saw blades that are under $20, I know like the bandsaw blades for the handheld ones are under $20. Now's a good time to pick those up. Drill bits, grinding wheels, anything like that. Right now is a great time to pick it up with that 30% off. So you guys saw what I have and what I picked up. I would like to hear what you're going to pick up or what you already picked up. Now, I do want to show you guys one thing. They did give the flyer for the January parking lot sale here, and I do not see much difference between this and the leaked one that I did a video on. I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check that out. But this is a little peek here at a couple of things. They are handing the flyers out now, so everything is official on that. So like I said, I want to hear down below, what did you guys pick up or what are you going to pick up? And then also don't forget at the beginning of the week, they're going to have a couple free gift sales going on again also, where if you buy something, you get a free gift. I'll probably be doing a shorts video on that. So look forward to that. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel that help buy tools like this. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.